everybody, Giovanni here. Today we're gonna make Herbalife cakes. Now before we begin, please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions on this video. And also please do follow me at Instagram, Giovanni_24fit. Alright, so let's begin. So the first thing that we're gonna need, obviously, is our products. So the first thing we're gonna do is 1 scoop of Formula 1. We're gonna use the banana caramel. We're gonna mix our dry ingredients first. You're gonna add 1 scoop of protein. You're gonna add 2 tablespoons of almond flour. We're going to use half a teaspoon of baking powder. All right, now we're going to whisk our dry ingredients together. All right, now time for the wet ingredients. We're going to make about 1/3 of a medium-sized banana. We're going to mash it together. So with your fork, just go ahead and smash it. So now you're going to get 3 tablespoons of your liquid eggs. You can use 1 whole egg. I use the liquid egg since less calories. All right, now you're gonna use some olive oil. You're gonna go ahead and put in about half a teaspoon. Now the last liquid ingredient that we'll be putting in is a couple tablespoons of water. You're going to put about 1 to 3 tablespoons depending on the consistency that you have of the batter. You want to make sure you have that cake consistency. If you use a whole egg, you'll probably want to use a little more water. If you have liquid eggs that I use in the carton, you'll probably use 1 or 2 teaspoons. So that's why we're going to go ahead and mix the wet ingredients first to see what the consistency is, and then we'll go ahead and start adding the water. All right, so we're gonna go get a fork or a whisk. Start mixing it all together. All right, now it's a little thick right there, so I'll go ahead and begin with 1 tablespoon of water first. It's a nice thick consistency, you know, just like your pancake batter. So, forgot to mention, make sure you preheat the oven to 350 degrees. I went ahead and did that. Before I continue doing that. These are the pans that we're going to use for our little cakes. Got these, I think, at Home Goods. So before I start pouring it in, I want to make sure I grease it up. I use this butter spray. I can't believe it's not butter. 0 calories, and it has that butter flavor that you'll want in a cake. So the batter should make about 2 cakes. So make sure it's spread around, and then just lightly with a napkin go around, get whatever excess, and make sure everything's all coated. Just lightly. You don't want to take out the butter that you put in there. You just want to make sure it's spread out. That way it's easy to come out. Alright, we have our batter in the mold, so let's go ahead and pop these bad boys in the oven. Should take about 15 to 20 minutes depending on your oven, if it gets really hot or not. But once it reaches that 15-minute mark, do monitor and make sure it gets that nice golden color. For me, it takes about 20 minutes to bake it over here where I'm at. So let's pop these bad boys in and let's see how they come out. Alright, so these are the finished products. And now the best part, the toppings. So we're gonna go ahead, add some whipped cream to it. If you want to use the same frosting that we used for the donuts, I do have a video. I'll put it into my description, and you could use that frosting if you want to frost a donut like a traditional cake. But for me, I love adding whipped cream to it. All right. For this one, I'm going to drizzle some crumbs, some vanilla wafer crumbs, and top it off with some sugar-free caramel. All right. This one I'm going to add some sliced almonds, just a few. And you can add whatever toppings you want to the cake. You want to add sugar-free syrup, add sugar-free syrup. If you want to do blueberries, add blueberries. All right. And these are the finished products. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I mentioned before, please do like and subscribe. There will be more videos to come. And if you have any questions, just go ahead and leave a comment. I will reply to you. And also do follow me at Instagram, Giovanni_24fit. Peace.